Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft To Do with Outlook tasks, full guide step by step clearly. Open Outlook on your device. Ensure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. Navigate to the lower left corner of the Outlook window. Select the tasks icon to view your task list. Next, open Microsoft To Do on your device. Make sure you are signed in with the same Microsoft account used in Outlook. Look for the settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the To Do window. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down to find the Accounts section. Ensure your Microsoft account is properly linked. Return to the main To Do interface. You should now see your Outlook tasks automatically syncing with Microsoft To Do. To add a new task in Outlook, click on New Task. Fill in the task details and to manage tasks. You can create lists in Microsoft To Do. Simply click on New List in the left sidebar. Name your list and press Enter to create it. To move tasks into this list, drag and drop from your main task view. You can also set due dates and reminders for tasks in Microsoft To Do. Open a task by clicking on it, then add due dates or reminders in the Details panel. Review your lists regularly to stay organized. Check for any updates or new features in both Outlook and To Do. This ensures you are making the most of both applications. For additional task management features, explore integrations with other Microsoft 365 apps. With everything set up, you are now ready to efficiently manage your tasks. Enjoy a more organized and productive workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.